Mastelo is a cheese that's made here in Chios, and it's one of my family's favorites. There's a million different ways that you can make it, and it's served at every restaurant. Today we're gonna pan fry it, and we're gonna serve it with pasteli, which I have the recipe. You can click here for the recipe, but we're gonna make it today with sesame and honey.
Well.
Perfect, we have that cut. We have some flour here. We're gonna crack some eggs. We moved over to the stove, and I have some olive oil. I'm gonna put in the pan, heating that up. Start putting this in the flour, coating the whole thing. Then we're gonna put it in our egg, and back in the flour. And then we're gonna put it right in the oil. So you wanna cook them until they're nice golden brown color. Flip them. Okay, they look perfect, so we're gonna take those off. We're gonna clean this, and then we're gonna make our pasteli. So toast the sesame seeds, but these are already toasted. So now I'm gonna take our honey, pour it into our pan to heat it up. You can see the honey's heated up, and it's like really liquefied. That's what we want. So now we're gonna put our sesame to the mixture, stir this. So for this recipe, for this pasteli, I just use more honey than sesame instead of when I make it nice and hard, because I wanted it to be a little looser. Do you see this consistency? So that we can actually drizzle it on top of our mastelo. And it actually will get hard when the honey cools. It's nice and hot right now, but look at that. Oh my goodness. The sesame and the honey, it's so sweet, and it's gonna go so well with this cheese. This looks delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Let's try it. Oh my goodness. Sweet and savory. Oh my God, so good. Can't wait for you guys to try this. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.